Hi there, Homestead. It's Elizabeth from Community, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to create a new site on your account. So log into your Homestead account if you're not already, and then click on Websites Manager on that left menu. Once you're in Websites Manager, if you look in the top right-hand corner, you should see where it says Add New Website. Now, if you don't see this in your account, all that means is that the current package that you have doesn't allow for more websites than you already have. You have two options in this case. You can either upgrade to the next package, or if you call in or contact us on our community, you can ask that we add additional sites to your current package. So once you do see Add New Website in the top right-hand corner, go ahead and click that, and that'll bring you to a page that says Introducing Website Builder. Now, Website Builder is our newest, most updated builder, and all new sites will be created in that program. To get started, you just have to give the site a name. So this isn't your domain name, that is separate than this. This is just a site name, so our system can reference the site before you put a domain name on it. And it's always going to end in .homesteadcloud.com for the new sites. Once you're done with that, click Add This Site. And once that site is created, it's going to bring you back into Websites Manager, and there's going to be a button that says Choose Design. Now, when you click on that, it's going to bring you into the page with all of our templates. Now, I do urge you to take your time with this process because the template is the background or the base for your website, and so you want to make sure you choose one that you know you're going to like, and we have over 200 of them. One note I want to make is you don't have to choose a template that matches your business. So if you own a bakery and you're building your site for the bakery, you don't have to choose a template like this that is for a bakery. There are tons of businesses and we don't have templates for all of them, but you just have to choose something that matches the basic layout and color scheme that you're wanting for your website. Everything else can be customized and changed. So once you decide on a template, you click Select, and then select this design, and that's going to bring you into the builder. Now, one thing I want to mention is with this builder, once you choose your design and you save it in the website builder, you can't change it. So you're stuck with that template. Again, everything can be customized, so you're not stuck with, a website you don't like the look of, but the base for your website is going to be stuck in that template. So I would recommend making sure you really like the template, go through it and make sure you like all of it. And if you do, at that point you can click save. But don't save it until you know that this is the template that you want to stick with.